She kind of looks like a Penelope, I think. Young adult. Okay. Her name is Penelope Dawson. Musical genius who likes to think about things. My story. Choose preferences. Snob, music lover, and good. She's not going to die yet. But when or if she dies in this story, it would be none of these. I'm thinking that she's not a snob. She is... I'm thinking that she has a big emphasis on family life because she wants to just be a family with Kenny. I'm thinking that Penelope is called Penny for short, and so it's Penny and Kenny. I think that's kind of cute.